How to add someone to your Zangi group chat. Alright, let's figure out how to add a new person to your existing group chat in Zangi. It's pretty straightforward. First up, open your Zangi on your device. You can see my Zangi right over here. Simply tap on it. Then you will be taken to the chat section, and this is how my chat section look like. As we are going to add someone to the group chat, let's directly go to the group. You can see my group right over here. Tap on it. Then once you're inside the group chat, look for the group name at the very top of the screen. You can see my group name right over here. Tap on it. And this takes you to the group information screen, and this is how it look like. On this screen you will see the details about the group and the list of the current members. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this add members with the plus icon. You can see it right over here. Tap on it. That will provide you an option to enter the Zangi number, which is right over here. Now simply enter the Zangi number. Once you are done, simply tap on this circle right over here. Tap on it. As you can see, I have already added a contact to the group. It's right over here. So as you have added the number of a contact that you wanted to in the group, simply tap on this tick mark right over here. Tap on it. And now on the list of a member, you can see a added member right over here, which is this one. And that means the person you have selected is added to your Zangi group chat. They will get a little notification that you have been added. Pretty simple, right? Now you know how to grow your Zangi group. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.